I put 2.5 plus million in Luna.
Oh, he's raging and he look at his face.
The majority of my money, that's maybe like 85% of my income.
Millions, bro.
You put your bollocks.
First time doing this is going to be called Alpha Reacts. Our great, brilliant content teams come up with this great idea. So this is the first time doing it. So let's get going, George.
Press play, shall we?
One thing I publicly failed at is crypto. I've lost millions, bro. I put 2.5 plus million in Luna, and it was at $30. Going down, I was like,
I put 2.5 in Luna as well.
You put your bollocks, excuse my French, in that same coin. I personally don't touch crypto. Other than one or two that you forced me in. Well, I didn't. What did I not get?
He said he put 2.5 in Luna. I said I put 2.5 in Luna too. But plenty got it.
I think I get
2.5.
I get it inches.
Yeah.
Great.
Anyway,
you have done your
crypto. I mean, I've never done millions, bro. But I have done my bollocks in crypto a few times, to be fair.
Yeah, I don't.
And George is very easily convinced to put some money in.
Forced me into it without me even knowing.
Sometimes I do ring George up and say, "Mate, I bought you some crypto, but you owe me this."
Yeah, twice. That's the only crypto I have. But yeah, I just there's so many of these, and
but keep
so
going
easy
because
to
it's
go.
quite interesting.
you did, motherfucker. Yeah. And then it went down to 0.00001. Buy 2.5 million.
Can I say something?
It's worth 10p.
But that is true. I mean, look, there's obviously
Probably actually was 10p as well.
there is some great opportunities with crypto, but
There's a
one
lot
thing I'd
of-
say for me,
there's a
like
lot
I
of
get
that,
sold on the hype, right? So if I see things go, I'm like, yeah, I want it, and then it normally happens like what's happened to
That.
KSI. I mean, nowhere near KSI's amount of money that he's lost, but
No.
I lost a few quid doing it for sure. Trader loses $70,000 because failed rocket launch.
Oh, he's on.
And our first commercial orbital launch.
Going up because it looks like the rocket is going to be launched today. But the real question is, when? Moon.
Red lead. Red lead is go. FTS.
FTS is go.
Delphin.
Dolphin is go.
Ether.
Who says he's
Peter's
back
go.
on?
Odin. Inco.
Inco is go.
Ace.
Odin's not go. Oh, the intensity is building. Hey.
So he's put a whole position and a whole bet on the fact that a rocket launch, which
On a
notoriously fail,
Yeah.
on a stock, which rocket launches which blow up often.
I am
Look,
from
listen,
India.
he's back on,
30,000
though.
people watching.
It's a budget rocket.
Firework!
9, 8, 7,
Run!
6, 5,
I
4,
bet you it doesn't even leave the
2,
shaft.
1. Mission 0.
Bang.
Abort.
Second idle.
Oh, he's fucking raging and he look at his face.
Looks like an abort was called at T0. The team will look into the issue and we will...
Look at the stop.
He's
Abort
doing it.
right here.
Oh.
T0 teams are currently working through their abort procedures and will standing by
Oh, he's
for
raging.
word of the next attempt.
On the next attempt.
I mean, you would be slightly annoyed, but
But that's a silly bet.
as they say, he who dares wins, Rodney.
Yeah. And one day he may be a millionaire.
Exactly.
But
Not today.
from that one.
This trader is insane. He probably isn't, but let's have a look.
This trader is insane.
Order filled.
I'm gonna get in 2 contracts. My stop loss is gonna be below this wick.
I've seen quite a lot of these format videos of the music, the split screen charts, trading, the P&L. They are they're attractive. They actually do stop me to watch them.
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
They're it's a good format.
Let's see if we can push to this high.
Then.
We have SMT on NQ and ES.
Here we go.
Usually they're
Let's see
always
if
a
we
win.
can push.
But
Watch. False breakout. No.
My stop loss is pretty tight. My risk to reward on this trade looks something like this. We have our stop loss here
stop loss?
and our target up here. We have a 5.21 risk to reward. I like this trade a lot.
tight stop, not even.
We do have a fair value gap in this area right here that we're currently rejecting. Let's see if we can get over that. There we go. We're up about 500 right now. Oh yeah, let's see this high taken out. This feeling right here when it's right there next to your target, this is the worst. You gotta be shitting me. Come on. There we go. We're out of here.
Order filled.
You know, stuff like this, it is really good. You know,
I
people
like
are
that
showing,
video
but
format.
I think, yeah, you just got to be honest with it, right? I think showing that's great.
You've got to show your losses.
You've got to show your losses.
Can't just be win.
But
Join my group. We're always going to win.
Nick, trading official, looks like a nice guy. You know, he's pulled off a nice trade. Target fucking smashed. So the VIP members are having it off right now.
Yeah.
But you know, do they have it off every day? Probably not. And does he charge for his service? Probably. But
also,
fair play to
him. Group trading is not allowed.
Group trading is not allowed.
So
don't join
VIP members. Yeah. Please stick to deposit trading, not alpha cap prop trading.
Exactly.
But yeah, hopefully you all smashed your TPs.
4, 3,
told his trading class to short.
1, boom!
He's also, gosh.
At least shoes as well, geezer.
At least he's backed his position though, because he is also taken a short. You can see the moment. Get him look at his phone.
He's in trouble. Margin call.
I mean, that is not.
That could be the minute chart as well, though. So it might not actually be that bad.
That'll be bad. That'll be bad. Look at the size of that candle. It's still going.
Oh.
It's off the chart. I mean, I don't know what you would do next in your class.
I mean, your class
other than
is
show a real world lesson of.
I mean, he hasn't even looked at his students for the past 10 minutes.
It's been margin called. Even his mates.
His mates. Big shout out to SSP traders. Big shout out to SSP traders.
That's about to plummet, isn't it?
It's going to drop. Or is it going to?
But his account balance is 195 in equity.
Good demo balance, that.
No, that's live. I do actually know who that guy is.
I don't know who he is.
That's Q Banks. Is that right? Q Banks.
You love all the influencers now, don't you?
He was just on Words of Wisdom's roundtable.
All right. So I probably should know who he is, but
you should.
I don't know who he is.
-80. I mean, that is. I've seen that quite a few times, and usually it's a big win. It's like a 150 grand win, or that's all you see is the win. But at least he posted a massive loss. So
I think it just goes to show that you've got to take your losses and your wins. You can't be emotional. It's just numbers.
But if his 1-to-ones risk 70 to make 70, and that's how he trades. Everyone's got. If you're running it on percentages, and
who's this geezer?
Where we know who this guy is, because we sponsored
Ed Matthews,
didn't we?
The boxing, yeah.
A lot of my money is now through Forex and trading.
So explain to us first what you're doing now, and then maybe we'll go into the broker part afterwards.
Alright, so what I do now is I have a trading group with like 4,000 people in it, and they get signals on what trades to take. Then I've got another group with like 1,400 people in that pay a monthly fee or a lifetime fee to get trades from him directly. Then he has a lot of my money and he trades. He's probably doing it. Yeah, he's doing it now. He will trade for me as well. So that's what I do currently to make that. That's the majority of my money. That's maybe like 85% of my income.
So how much is that in actual numbers though? How much have you made?
It's more than you'd think. Like it's more than I ever thought was possible. Like it's not small. It's
the thing with that is these affiliates of brokers make so much money from IB agreements. They get paid per deposit, they get paid per lot traded, depending on what one, and you get 5,000 people to deposit 500 quid. They are making a lot of money, so that's why these are so popular, and there's so many groups. There's so many groups out there with every different broker, because they make a fortune from introducing.
There's no shortcut, right? There really is no shortcut. I mean, if you've got money and you want to make money, then there's two ways of doing it. Go and hustle hard, go and set your own business up, and go and try and make some money from hard work. Number two, if you've got a few quid, then there's always underappreciated assets that you can go and buy and make money from. But this type of thing, my personal opinion, just look, all this signal stuff. It's not.
You're not learning.
But if they were that good, if they were that good, they're not going to be here doing it.
You're not learning the skill, copying the signal.
Anything.
You're just copy and pasting. You have no idea why the.
And you're trusting that person to make you a load of money, which, it's just
you're risking your cash on someone.
Not going to happen, man.
Yeah.
Learn the game, or if you really want to make a few quid, look at what you're good at. Start a business. Might not happen overnight, but in time you'll do good. There's no shortcuts.
Definitely.
I know who this is.
Yes.
Respect trading enough, right? And I see a lot of traders do that nowadays, where they don't respect the game enough. Like, they expect to wake up, open their laptop, press 2 buttons, and make money. And I'm like, you're disrespectful.
You just said that on the last one.
There's no shortcuts.
No, there's not.
There's no shortcuts. You've got to really put the grind and the effort into it.
People that take this craft very, very seriously.
And bear in mind, I'm not a good trader. Never will be. Don't want to be. Because I don't take it seriously. I'd rather go and have a punt. I love a punt.
Yeah.
Like I've just been margin called today. Yeah. I love a punt. If there's a punt there to have, I'll have it.
You've got to treat trading seriously, like a bit like it's your business. Your money that you put up is your investment into your business. The money that you're trading, risking, losing.
But if I want to go
that's the P&L of your business.
Go and be,
you wouldn't just punt your entire business.
If I want to go and be a footballer overnight, I'm never going to be a footballer. One, because I haven't learned the skill, but two,
it takes years and years. And
it's not in my DNA. Do you know what I mean? It's not in my DNA, my genetic code. It's not there. And I do believe, psychology, you need it in that genetic code. If you don't have that, then you might have a good few punts now and again.
Yeah, but it's enough.
Me trying to go and perform surgery on someone having no education, no skills, no thing performing surgery, and expecting to do it while I am now essentially disrespecting the person that spent tens of years in school. Same thing as traders. If you're going into this industry and you open up your laptop and you click a few buttons and you expect to make money, and I don't mean this in a disrespectful way, I hope you lose money.
Mate,
I
completely agree with what Cara said. I'm only joking to start him. Umar Ashraf, that was a joke. But yes, I completely agree. Did you enjoy that?
That was good.
Interesting.
They were funny.
I would like, though, just a note for the content team next time, to push it a little bit more. And get a little bit more like, whoo, so people can see me go, or ooh, A bit more creative, a little bit more spicy, but push it for the audience, and
they were good.
Maybe some topics as well. It's a bit off kilter, but yeah, really enjoyed that. I had a bit of fun there, so yeah, great.